On the 2017 Focus RS, and the problem I'm in is I'm trying to get the axles out of the transmission, and they are very stuck in here, as you can tell. Sorry, getting the camera set up, but I finally got this to break loose and come out. Now the way I did it, and might not like it, but this is how I did it. So you take the strap out. I've heard a couple guys use the strap for leverage. I decided, and I'm not proud of it, you can see the turbo housing up there. What I did is I went up like this with my pry bar on the edge of that turbo housing and on the edge of this little thingy, and I just pushed it back, give it a couple of good knocks, and it came right out. And as you can see, now I can get this sucker out. And on the other side I used a little bar. Oh good, I thought that was a scratch, but it's just some oil. And on the other side I used the pry bar, and I just got up under the edge of the oil seal on the end and very gently pried at it until it popped out enough for me to get my hands around and give it a good yank out. But really hard to get out. And with what I decided to do is take the little axle nut here, and I threaded it onto the end so I wouldn't damage the actual end of the axle itself. And then what I used was a big hammer. So what I did is I put this right out of the way of the hubs here, and I actually spun it around like that. And then I hammered on this so that it would spread out the surface area on the nut itself so it wouldn't bend the nut, and also so the bolt would push it in. And then what I did is as the bolt pushed through, I loosened up the nut just a little bit so I could keep on smacking it in, and then it popped right out the backside here. And getting the ball joints out is just a pain in the ass. Honestly, you just gotta get a pry bar in there and yank up, try not to break the ball joints, but not very easy. This only has 25,000 miles in 2 years, so it's already pretty rough, but you can see in there, I got this side out, and I just went up from the bottom with the pry bar, and I kind of just worked it up there and very gently went around just yanking it out, and I got them to pop out. So pretty happy they're finally out. That was definitely a holdup.